Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Top Widgets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then search for the Help section and click on the FAQ button. And as you can see, you can search within the Help Center of the application. You can browse the categories, and here are the frequently asked questions, so just click on that and you can just start looking for the specific problem or question that you're looking for. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.